Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I am going to be using this pumpkin and candle holder, both from Dollar Tree. I start by cutting away the fabric from the pumpkin and removing the light that's attached to it. Next I'll be taking some twine and I add just a small amount of hot glue to that ring around the bottom, and then just start wrapping that twine all the way around until that entire bottom ring is covered, and then hot gluing it at the end. But then I take that twine and continue wrapping it down the sides of the wired pumpkin. Once I get to the other side of it, the top portion, I add some hot glue and then continue that twine down that next wire. I continue that process until I have the entire thing covered with the twine. Once that's done, I'm going to be removing that wired top from it, just using some snips. I then take a lighter and I'm burning away all the little frays from the twine. And I'm making sure I'm doing this over my silicone mat, and I have water right next to me just in case. And then take the candle holder and I am painting that with Plaster colored chalk paint. That's by Waverly, and I give that a couple coats. I didn't seal it with anything, but you could use a Mod Podge or a varnish to seal it so that paint doesn't chip. And then I'm taking this wood spindle I got from Temu, and I'm pushing that through the top opening and adding hot glue to keep that into place. Once that glue is set, I add a little bit more hot glue around that and add on some Spanish moss. And then I'm taking some different leaves and berries and hot gluing those throughout that moss. I then add hot glue to the top of the candle holder and place down some more moss. And then add some leaves and the berries throughout that as well. Next, on the bottom ring, I am adding some hot glue and then placing that on top of the moss and the leaves. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.